My name is Eric Keever. I'm a web developer, creative director, and co-founder for Five Line Creative Labs. And I am with video producer, business manager, and co-founder Tim Zink. The basis of our company is marketing. We see marketing as a creative endeavor. We deal with branding, social media marketing, video production, and web development. You need to be as creative as possible whenever you're marketing your company. That means branding, simplicity, logo, anywhere from websites all the way down to just reaching the customer, word of mouth, anything. Whenever you market your company, you are representing your company in a whole or your brand in a whole. What we strive to do is add a creative edge to marketing that we've seen lacking in the Northeast Indiana area. I think that we should be considered because we have that creative edge that Northeast Indiana needs. We can bring that creativity back to marketing in Northeast Indiana, and we can show them what marketing is about. And we're cool.